I'm Dave Gruber, Principal Analyst at the Enterprise Strategy Group. Our research tells us that almost every aspect of the modern cybersecurity technology stack is in a state of transformation. Security megatrends, including generative AI, SASE, Zero Trust, XDR, MDR, and attack surface management, are driving change and helping organizations better secure their multi-cloud and hybrid work environments. These strategies require a more holistic, integrated approach to cybersecurity, resulting in a growing trend in the use of converged cybersecurity platforms. I'm here with Mike Storm, distinguished engineer from Cisco's security team. Mike, tell us about what Cisco is doing in support of this converged agenda, and more specifically, tell us about the Cisco Security Cloud platform.
Yeah, Dave, great question. The Cisco Security Cloud platform is a little bit different than traditional platforms, as they have, more or less been product-centric, meaning that they're based upon connecting products with point-to-point integrations. Cisco Security Cloud is more of a universal platform. It's common services centric, which enables the common functions across everything you do with both your Cisco investments and your non-Cisco investments. The Security Cloud is the connective tissue, the fabric, or the common services mesh that enhances what you're connecting.
Excellent. So this sounds different, really, than other platforms that are in the industry. And as you know, I talked to a lot of other security platform vendors, potentially approaching the problem differently, a more comprehensive architecture, more cooperative, more collaborative. So take us through the core capabilities.
Absolutely. At Cisco, we're taking a different approach to all of our engineering, and we're really focused on platform level outcomes. We actually call, for Security Cloud specifically, we call these patterns or platform patterns. And there are three guiding principles that really have derived these patterns. Number one, work is performed exactly one time and is applied and visible across all systems in the architecture. Number two, common services like identity, posture, policy, risk, tenancy, trust, and threat assessments, when performed only once, benefit the entire architecture. And then finally, number three, regardless of the multiple vendors, the multiple technologies, the different security roles, there is a single representation of what we are protecting. Common inventories and identities for automation and cross-domain telemetry. So the idea is that all of these common services are working together to derive a platform that is much more universal as a connective tissue across all of your systems. There's another thing that I think is really relevant to this entire approach, the use of what we call cross-domain native telemetry. This is a very key element of Security Cloud, and it's very much differentiated from other platforms. The ability to leverage existing investments in security controls, both Cisco and non-Cisco, is critical for our customers. But Cisco cross-domain native telemetry allows these natural constructs to be leveraged in their native formats, connected, analyzed, and correlated across a myriad of disparate system control types. We've also safely included predictive and generative AI capabilities into the architecture, leading to a new understanding of security control points and massive simplification for the IT and security staff. Now, the last piece that I want to really emphasize is the difference between point-to-point and platform-level integrations, which affect the entire architecture. We've taken a common services platform approach to everything we're building for Security Cloud and across the entire Cisco brand. We define this as the common administrative controls and data structures that connect all of the different technologies so they can work natively together to defend in unison at machine scale.
All right, last thing, Mike, how do I get access to the platform?
Well, it's a great question, Dave, because if this was a product-centric platform, you would just buy it. But the reality is that, you probably already own something from Cisco. Our objective is that the Cisco Security Cloud becomes that set of common services that benefit all of your products. Our expectation is to work with what many would consider to be competitors to make sure that all of your investments are leveraged and that you automatically get these common services capabilities that are part of the core of Cisco Security Cloud simply through ownership of your current Cisco investments.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Mike Storm. Look for more information on the Cisco Security Cloud.